everybody, this is Cosmic Jinx and Portal Episode 3, and unfortunately I have a little problem. I have the hiccups. I got the hiccups in under a minute. Please don't make me. I'll try not to talk. Oh god, don't laugh. I'm such a poor person. It hurts!
Vital testing apparatus destroyed.
Ah! Oh, I can't help it. Oh, that's refreshing. Sorry, I'm trying to drink water and make it go away. It's not working. Scary. Let's try to scare ourselves. It's not. I can't. Ow. I hiccuped while I was fake crying. Ow.
Vital testing apparatus destroyed.
I think one of you is watching me right now, and you're just like, I wish he gets hiccups. And I do. Alright, gotta do the thing. Hold my nose, drink for 10 seconds. Oh god, really cold water, really cold water. Darn it! Alright, maybe I can hold my breath. Okay, maybe I can try drinking again. I can do this. I need hiccupable. Oh, really cold water. Is it gone? Did I suffer enough? No. I'm really sad right now. And I don't like this situation at all. And I think you guys can tell. Make it go away! Alright, that's you. None of you are helping. Ah. For he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, and hopefully he takes my hiccups away. Never mind. Oh, hi, me. I hiccuped again. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna cry. Uh-huh. They won't go away. They won't go away. Darn it! Alright, that's it. Nope, I gotta drink the rest of this one go. Alright, I can do this. Alright, that had to have done it. If I learned anything from a science teacher, that had to have done it. And I'm not hiccuping. I'm not. Yeah. Was I? Oh, shit. I mean, shoot. Ha ha. Ha ha. Oh. Shit. Well, I should put that one there first. Yeah.
Did you know you can donate one or all of your vital organs to the Aperture Science Self-Esteem Fund for Girls? It's true.
But if I did do that, why would you need my organs for self-esteem? Oh, by the way, guys, there is a way to get in there, actually. You see this? Yeah. There is a thingy in there, as you can see. And I want to get into it. Wait, let me do this one first. Wait, no, gotta do this one first. Right? I fucked that up. Fucked it up big time. I'm an idiot! Yep. Okie dokie. Gotta go in. Darn it. No, guys, I can do this. Hiccup or yeah, Higgins fudge. Hiccups or no, I can do this. You gotta believe in me. You gotta believe it. Dadabill. What the fudger knuckles? Oh no! I died. Damn it. Damn it. You can risk your life. And I'm gonna risk my life. I'm a rebel. Look at me, Ma. I'm a rebel. Look at that. Look what I got. Yeah. What can you do about it? That's right. Gotta kill all the radios. Yeah. Are we there yet? What mode am I on, anyways? So bad I drank all my water, and now I'm out of water because of stupid hiccups. It knew I had water, and they're like, "Hey, what's really gonna piss her off? Let's make her drink all the water in a really annoying way." Ooh. I'm naming you all Carl.
Vital testing apparatus destroyed.
Don't panic, Carl. Oh wait, you're a girl. Carla. Carla.
Vital testing apparatus destroyed.
Go say hi to Carla, Carla.
Vital testing apparatus destroyed.
I like messing with them. Also, guys, look at this. It's our first secret room! And it's sad because look at all the helps. Cake's alive. Cake. Hello, can you help me? Oh, those are little Carls. And now just a bucket, the pot, with stuff in it, and beans, milk. Those are milk and beans. Refreshing diet, I think. Nah. I'm not here. I'm not here. I'm not here. No, I'm not there anymore. Obviously not. Aww. Ah! I'm gonna grab you and I'm gonna hit you with you. Look, there's a radio in here. And a bunch of boxes! Boxes! We're gonna get a nice little snack. We're gonna make a little snack. Make a little snack! Snicker. Make a little snack. Well, I'm a little bit off. Yeah. I was not injured. Goodbye. Yeah. No. La 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 la. Jack the house it does of Holly. La 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 la. 'Tis the season to beat Carla. La 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 la. Doo-ba-doo-boo-boo-ba-doo-boo. Robot Carla, Robot Carla, Robot Carla. I'm just happy I don't have hiccups anymore. Hup, hup, hup.
The vital apparatus vent will deliver a weighted companion cube in 3,
2, 1. Hello, companion cube.
Companion cube will accompany you through the test chamber. Please take care of it.
Hello. Hey, little buddy, you're my friend. We're gonna walk this way, okay? I'm sorry I hurt you.
The symptoms most commonly produced by enrichment center testing are superstition, perceiving inanimate objects as alive, and hallucinations. The enrichment center reminds you that the weighted companion cube will never threaten to stab you and, in fact, cannot speak.
But it's speaking to my heart. Does that count? I can't stop crouching. I can't stop crouching! Okay, I stopped crouching. Aww. Blackbody's all beat up. I'm sorry I gotta do this to you again, Blackbody. Ah, wrong angle. Oh, still worked. Thank you, baby. Look! Another secret room. Up in here. Got it. See, look! What I've been doing. Laugh at the blocks and hello. Ooh, girls are aperture science. Ow, ow, ow. Stop watching. What's this say? You said to take care of it. You can't, you wouldn't. I should disregard your advice. Leave me alone. Alright, companion cube, you said you'd take care of it. You're, no, wait. I can't read that part right there. Oh well. Because I could not stop for death. He kind of stopped for me. Cube had food and maybe ammo. Something mortality? Mortality? Not cruelty, not in well. The Reaper came today, an angel visited the spirit path and took Cube away. Aww, it's so foreboding. Hurts my heart. I'll tell you what, hurts my heart. Right, don't need the companion.
Vital testing apparatus destroyed. Vital testing apparatus destroyed. The Enrichment Center reminds you that the weighted companion cube cannot speak. In the event that the weighted companion cube does speak, the Enrichment Center urges you to disregard its advice.
If it does speak, I'm taking its advice. It's probably the only sane one around here. Oh, right, what am I doing? Silly me. Gotta hurry, gotta hurry, gotta hurry, gotta hurry, gotta hurry. Aha! What now? Oh yeah. Just in time, just in time. Just in time. Just in time. Just in time. Awesome. That's not where you want to go. You know what? It's already 19 minutes. I think I'm gonna end this episode here. I know you guys enjoyed laughing at my hiccups. I know it fueled your day. You didn't. Alright, well, see you next time. Bye bye.